Oh, are you? Poor thing. So get the heck out of here then, after this,
Oh well.
you know?
Yeah.
For sure.
Ooh, I'm echoing. Echo. All right. Okay, I'm going to take this out because it's so hard to talk with myself yelling at me. Okay, I'm going to take this off and then count down. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers, tracking more snow moving in. We do have a weather impact alert starting at 3 o'clock this afternoon, going through tomorrow morning, where we are expecting inches of snow, not just in the foothills, even here in the metro area. About 3 inches of snow expected in the metro area, higher amounts to the west and to the south. We're looking at a winter weather advisory going into effect at 5 o'clock tonight, where 3 to 7 inches falling in those areas. And again, we're talking about the Front Range foothills, the urban corridor, all the way from Boulder, south along I-25 down to about Monument. So again, we are looking at impactful snow for this evening. Could impact your evening commute overnight, some heavy at times overnight into tomorrow morning, impacting your morning commute as well before it pretty quickly moves out after about 9 o'clock. So let's take you outside for a live look out over Denver, where we've got some clouds, a little bit of sunshine helping to warm up those temperatures a bit, but still quite cold. That Arctic air mass still in place over the plains. It is slowly eroding out to the east, and temperatures are slowly warming up. So a little bit warmer than yesterday, but still well below where we should be for this time of the year. Things change though by tomorrow afternoon. 26 at DIA right now. Factor in the winds, it feels like it's 18. So the wind chill still playing a role today. Certainly going to improve as we head into tomorrow afternoon. But again, we talked about the weather impact alert starting at about 3 o'clock this afternoon, lasting through the night into tomorrow morning, where we're expecting snow 3 to 6 inches by tomorrow morning in the metro area. And that means slick roads both tonight and tomorrow morning. Current temperatures, we're looking mainly in the 20s, although that cold air very stubborn out across the far eastern plains. 18 degrees right now in Ray. We're at 26 in Lamar, but down south in Trinidad, 33 degrees. Temperatures in the 30s up in the high country. We're at 24 degrees in Fort Collins. So the wind chill, not too much of an issue. The farther, obviously, west you go. But again, out across the eastern border, factor in that wind chill. Feels like it's 5 degrees right now in Ray, 1 degree in Burlington. Again, that cold air gradually pushing off to the east. So today is the last day of our 7-day forecast where that Arctic air grips the eastern plains. Today, afternoon snow. Again, the snow expected after about 3 o'clock. It looks like the latest model run showing it pushing back till after about 4 o'clock. We'll keep monitoring that. But again, this afternoon, likely impacting a bit. We'll start to see that snow around your evening commute. And again, overnight, 3 to 6 inches likely falling. Temperatures topping out in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees. We're looking at mainly 20s to right around 30 degrees across the plains. And a live look at radar, we are already seeing that snow up in the high country impacting travel along I-70, all the result of a storm system. You can see it rotating there right along the Great Basin, just making its way through the Great Basin right now into Colorado, and just rotating that moisture in the form of snow up into the high country. That will gradually slide down across the urban corridor, where we do have a winter weather advisory that goes into effect 5 o'clock tonight until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Again, 3 to 7 inches of snow. Expect a messy morning commute and potentially a slick evening commute tonight as well, as that winter weather advisory stretches over the Front Range, foothills. We're talking about Boulder, down 36 into Denver, and south along I-25 down to about Monument, out east as well. So again, Heavier accumulations, probably we're looking at about 4 inches in Boulder. Head south towards Castle Rock, anywhere from about, I'd say 3, maybe like 4 to 8 inches, the closer you get to Castle Rock and Monument. As we put our forecast into motion here, you can see that snow. This is 3:30. We do start to see it approach the western suburbs of Denver, making its way into the metro area. Certainly, again, the snow to the west and to the south of the metro area as we head into the overnight hours. We're just on the edge, the northern edge by tomorrow morning, and then all that activity passes off to the south. So again, trending a little bit or tracking a little bit more to the south than initially this morning. But we're going to go ahead and zoom into the metro area right now. This is 3:30. We do start to see some snowflakes south of the metro, down along I-25, and certainly heavier snow in the foothills up I-70 as you head up into the mountains. And then I'm going to take this back a little bit. Let's just slow this down if we have the time. Yeah, we got a little bit of time here. So let me just I'm going to take this back a bit if we can do that. Here we go. Let's just walk it through by hand so we can kind of just get a slowed down picture of this. So 4 o'clock, again, still south of the metro area. And then as we head into the 7 o'clock hour, we're starting to see it make its way north. But again, this is where we're going to see the heavier accumulations, mainly south and west of downtown Denver. Certainly going to impact those snow totals, the official snow totals taken out DIA, where we're going to look at probably a trace to an inch of snow up to the north and east. But again, as we head, this is overnight tonight, we're seeing some heavier snow in Boulder, but then as we make its way down after about 7 o'clock, we're starting to see that really move out quickly. So again, these models changing as we had snow until about 9 o'clock. Still that weather advisory in effect, but the snow looks to be moving out a little bit earlier than we initially anticipated. As for those snow totals, again, we talked about how to DIA, maybe a trace to an inch at this point. Still expecting maybe a couple to 3 to 6 inches in the metro area. Could be a little bit less as that system seems to be trending down to the south. And again, we'll see that those accumulations 4 to 8 inches south, closer to Castle Rock. And still a decent amount up in the Boulder area as we catch the northern end of the heavier snow band. But again, it basically really depends on where these snow bands pass. Looked like the band was going to be passing over the metro area. Looks like that band sliding a bit further south. So again, south of the metro and certainly west of the metro, seeing more of that snow overnight into tomorrow. Again, snow ending tomorrow, and then we'll be warming up into the low 40s. So certainly going to be melting tomorrow afternoon. And again, about 60% chance we'll see 3 to 6. Could be seeing 1 to 2 inches here in the metro area. Those chances probably increasing as that system slides off to the south. So weather impact tonight into tomorrow morning, and then we start to warm up as we head into the weekend. Temperatures climbing into the low 50s on Saturday. We're looking at a high of 60 on Sunday. Going to be a bit windy on Sunday as well. Expect some breezy conditions Sunday into Monday, but boy, those downsloping winds doing a great job at warming up our temperatures. We'll be in the mid-60s Monday and Tuesday. We have another system moving in, bringing us likely some mountain snow on Wednesday and some cooler temperatures, but still above normal with a high of 54, sunshine on Wednesday. That is a quick look at your forecast on this Thursday afternoon. Stay tuned to 9 News Plus, and we'll have your updated forecast at 3 o'clock with Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin as we continue to track this storm. Obviously, the storm switching its track up a little bit on us, dropping a little bit more to the south, and that certainly will impact snow totals. We'll keep monitoring it and checking out the latest model runs throughout the afternoon into the evening, and stay tuned again to the 9 News family of networks for the latest on the storm. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.